Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing America's best value Inn-Eloy Casa Grande. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Featuring free Wi-Fi, this Inn-Eloy, Arizona hotel is 12 miles from Casa Grande Art Museum. It serves a daily continental breakfast. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at America's best value Inn-Eloy includes a satellite TV with cable channels, a refrigerator and a desk. Rooms offer traditional decor and feature tea and coffee making facilities. 24-hour reception is offered at Inn-Eloy America's best value Inn. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Barbecue facilities are available. Skydive Arizona is 10 minutes drive away from this hotel. Casa Grande Ruins National Monument is 23 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.